We just got an email.
What's that?
No.
You see snow?
No. No. Mama, no. Mama, it's not even drying up. Mama. Look at that snow over there. Look at that snow.
I know, it's a lot. Let's go look out the window in Mommy's room. Come on, twins.
Mom, it's no.
Go, go, go. Go, Ava, go look. Go, 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 go. Say stop it, Chris. Come on, Mama. Get out of my bed. Come on, let's go get the snow. Come on.
Good morning.
Good
I want
morning,
a hug.
Jen.
I woke up today and it feels like bad and it feels like there's like a sunrise.
Yeah. Come on, y'all. Let's go look outside. Come on, Aiden.
What?
Cause so cold. Well, I get scared.
Get off my bed. No, no, no. Get off.
Mama, I'm so confused how the snow's still there and it's really cold and there's daylight.
I know. Ava, look.
Do
you see the snow?
It's like, what should we do today? Snow and light.
It's a lot of snow.
And then they're like,
way more than we ever got.
whoa. Look, a car in there. Imagine it snowing and then the car shut down like boom.
Who's gonna build a snowman? Go follow Kaylin. Go, 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 go. Damn, this shit is deep. Babe, did you have to step in this?
Oh my god, this is so deep! Oh my god! Ava!
Oh my goodness! No, I'm not. It's just woohoo!
Oh my god! No.
Not at me. You have to throw it at each other, but not in each other's faces.
Ava, want to be a snowman? This is.
Aiden threw snow at you, Kaylin.
Yeah.
Go throw that at Maya. Somebody help Ava build a snowman.
Can I help you?
She wants to build a snowman.
Snowman?
Oh.
Gloves, you don't know how freezing close this shit is.
That's why. She keeps trying to build her a snowman. Oh, my babe. Look at Maya.
You don't understand. You need gloves for that.
This snow is way different from last time.
Yeah, it's softer.
Yeah.
This is the kind of snow you would see in Colorado.
For real?
It's so deep.
Mama,
Like something I do.
I'm checking. I'm checking. I feel like snow frozen.
Aiden, go throw snow at Maya.
Like the world is on a side.
Aiden, stop throwing snow at me. Throw it at Caitlin. This shit is deep right
Yeah.
here. Look how deep this is, you guys. Oh my goodness. I ain't got no boots, so this is all I got right now.
Your touch sends chills down my spine. Alright, I got a brand new love. Take me away, girl, to another.
Babe, how you gonna build a snowman with that?
It's 7 on earth.
Oh shit.
On earth. I found an angel
Mommy, what's this one?
Found an angel.
Hi everybody, we are outside in the snow. Right here, right here.
Yep.
You're
We're
not
outside.
even
That's payback for getting me.
It's not payback for getting.
No, because Chris. No.
That's mine.
Chris had been putting snow in my shirt since this morning. Yeah, babe. I didn't show it. So I put snow in his shirt. What the fuck is Aiden doing? Look at Aiden. Wait, look at him. Aiden, what is you doing? Look at your pants, boy. Come here. You just throwing snow at everybody? Get up. Oh, my baby's determined to build her snowman. About a snowman? Ava, you building a snowman? Okay. Oh my God. Oh, that shit is windy. Look at this boy, y'all. Is it snow? We need some sticks for the snowman's ears. I mean the arms.
My orange life. Mama, the water. The water's frozen.
It did freeze.
Look, it's frozen.
It's so cold out here and it's so windy. These kids want to stay out here long and I refuse. I'm gonna go inside and make some neck food. And Megan's gonna make this.
Look, your nose.
His nose is red. Anyway.
Wait, girl, to a new level. It's 700.
Alright, you guys, so we're back in the house, and I am making, for the ones that always got something to say, some neck bones. And it smells so good. The kids are actually eating lunch right now. The twins are having SpaghettiOs, and everybody has like their own. They picked out an orange from out of the orange basket. And you eat SpaghettiOs, and then she's eating. You got an orange. Oh, it's not an apple. It's an orange. It's an orange. Yeah, so they're eating over here. Are you almost done with your SpaghettiOs, Ava? Is it yummy?
I ate that before.
You ate it before? This little heater
Hi guys.
has been doing wonders. I have it out here to keep the rooms warm. Alright, I took off. Move. I took off my wig, y'all. I had to get comfortable, but it is still snowing and it's still cold outside. I finished cooking the neck bones. Everybody ate neck bones and pizza. Like I said, it's still snow. No, don't go outside. Move, get back. Like there's still snow everywhere. Hope you guys can see. And it's been snowing on and off. Now, although we still have we still have power here. My mom does not have any power. And she stays far from me, so she can't just come here. And she doesn't have a fireplace, so she's been dealing with, you know, not having power. And she doesn't have power since 2 o'clock last night. I didn't know. I've been blowing her phone up until now. She can finally get text messages out, but they, for some reason, phone calls won't go out. So we are just kicking it here at home, enjoying it. Everybody's just kind of been chilling in the living room. It's really warm in here. Like, I know, I still see the snow. There's still snow everywhere. Watch out, my computer's right here. And focus. We've been kind of just chilling. Chris is making them some cinnamon rolls, and I've been watching scary movies this whole time, you guys. So I'm kind of just chilling. Hopefully our power does not go out. They said if you are losing power, make sure you don't have as much stuff on. Kind of been keeping lights off, but the light is on over there because I just finished eating. But yeah, I know it's still snowing. It's been snowing on and off. The kids are out of school for 2 more days. And they said maybe Thursday or Friday they'll be virtual. Yeah, we don't get weather like this. I think my dad said this came from the South Pole or North Pole, wherever. North Pole. This is a Arctic blast or something like that, and it hit us. And I feel like Texas is not used to. Why are you saying get away? Girl, I feel like this. They said that, you know, we've never had this before, so these kids is just crazy right now. But we just gonna go put it in the trash now. Go put it in the trash, mamas. We just gonna pray that we don't lose power at this point, because I need my power. They need social media. They need their tablets. We all need it all. But I hope you guys are safe and warm. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know it's kind of just 2 days. We're not doing too much. I told my mom to vlog as much as she could, but keep her in house prayers, her and Jackie and Jack, and pray for Jack's sister-in-law, is that what it's called? I just know that his brother, okay, Jack just lost his brother. Jack is my mom's boyfriend. He just lost his brother. So keep them in God's prayers. Keep my mom in y'all's prayers and everything, because it's like everything is just happening. It's just like snow, and then, you know, a loss in the family. It's sad, but I love you guys, and I will see you guys in our next vlog. Say bye.
Bye.
Can you not be crazy? Say happy snow day.
Happy snow day. That's what I'll be doing.
Alright guys, talk to you later.